Hey everyone! In this 2026 guide, I'm going to show you how to turn on BCC in Outlook. So you can send emails without showing everyone's addresses. Yeah, super handy. So first open Outlook and start a new email. When the Compose window pops up, look at the top menu bar. You'll see a tab called Options. Go ahead and click that. Now, inside the Options tab, look for the button labeled BCC. In most versions of Outlook, it's right beside the CC button. Just click it once, and the BCC line will immediately appear in your email. If you want BCC to stay visible every time you write a message, don't worry. Outlook remembers it automatically. So once you turn it on, it'll stay there for future emails too. On Outlook Web, it's almost the same. Click New Mail, then hit the three dots at the top of the Compose window and choose Show BCC. After that, the BCC line will show up just like in the desktop app. And yeah, that's really all you have to do to turn on BCC in Outlook. Super quick, super simple. Oh, and thanks for watching. And feel free to like and subscribe if you found it helpful.